Welcome to Corporals Corner. Today we're making a frog gig, so stick around. In a previous video we talked about securing food for a long-term or longer-term survival situation. Longer term meaning more than 72 hours. And in that video we went ahead and constructed a survival fishing rod and used paracord for bait. And honestly, it worked out pretty well for us. Oh baby, look at that. Look at that. On paracord. Nice. Now the problem that arises is that there might not be any fish in that pond, or that survival fishing rod and paracord bait may not work for you in your area. And you're going to have to seek other healthy alternatives. So today I thought, why not take you through step by step on how to construct a frog gig. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk about material selection. I'm looking for a pole as straight as I can find, and I want it to be a good 8 to 9 foot in length. I'm 6'1". I'm going to walk up to it, I'm going to fully extend my arm. If I can do that, it's good to go. On the end I'm going to carve my gig. I want that to be a good 1.5 inch diameter. And the opposite end, anywhere from 3/4 to 1 inch diameter. And once you have your pole selected for your frog gig, go ahead and grab the bank line of your choice. It could be number 12, number 18, or even number 36. So taking your pole on the thicker end, we want to go ahead and baton or split the wood right across here. You want that split to run between 4 and 6 inches in length. Then you want to go ahead and baton the wood again. This time you want to do it perpendicular. You also want that split to run 4 to 6 inches in length. Good to go. Now we're going to rotate it. Do the exact same thing. Find that center point. So taking my number 12 bank line, and again you can use number 18 or number 36, all I'm going to do is fold it over and create a bite. I'm going to lay it on there. Taking my longer end, all I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it towards that loop. Now take your end, pass it through your loop. Now pull this line. What actually happens is that loop will be pulled to the center of that lash and everything will tighten up. Trim your free ends and you're good to go. So far so good. Now taking 2 small branches, I want to go ahead and separate these pieces so I can carve them into points. Now carefully work these all the way down to your lash, rotate it, and do it again. The next step before we go ahead and carve our spikes, we want to go ahead and secure these branches. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and tie a jam knot. So it's a simple slip knot. Got to slide down, tighten it up, and then do an overhand knot or a pretzel knot. So a slip knot and an overhand knot is a jam knot. Pull it tight. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go under, over, under, over 3 times, reverse it and do it 3 more times the opposite direction. Once we get here, we're going to reverse it. Then from here, all I'm going to do, I can tie it off right here or drop it down and do a clove hitch. I'll probably go that route. Slide it up and dress it up. Pull it tight. And then to finish it off with the overhand knot. Look at that. Welcome back. This was outstanding. And it tastes just like chicken. Let's talk about one thing real quick. Wherever I go in the United States, if I know that I'm going to secure some type of food, whether it be fish, amphibians, furry critters, etc., I stop at the local Walmart and I go ahead and get the necessary permits or licenses. It's good business, it's honest, and most importantly, it makes it legal. Thank you for your comments, views, support. Thanks for watching. Get out in the field, have some fun. I'm going to catch you next time.